I'm gonna make 2 versions of Swedish beetroot salad. One plain with just beetroots and one more fresh, I guess a little bit modern one with apples as well. And if we're being honest with each other, I never made this salad before, so this is first for me as well. Personally, I really like a beetroot salad, but we kind of only eat it 2 times a year, or with 2 dishes, or how to say it, on the Swedish Christmas table, and also we make a meatball sandwich with it. We take rye bread or bread and then beetroot salad and then meatballs, usually sliced up. That's a really common sandwich to usually buy in cafeterias, or if you go to the gas station you can find it there as well. But we're gonna stick with the Christmas beetroot salad here. As I said, one standard regular one and one more modern with apples in it as well. Let's do this. And when it comes to ingredients, yes, of course, the beetroot is the base of the whole salad. This is just boiled beetroots that I will let cool down so I can peel them more easier. We're also gonna use creme fraiche and mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and yeah, for the other version I'm gonna use apples as well. One thing that can be good to do actually, when you boil the beetroots, save some of the liquid. We'll add that if the color of the beetroot salad is not pink enough, we will add that in later. Let's start off with the beetroots. And as I said, I've been boiling these ones with the skin on until they're ready, and now it's time to cut them up and start making them into the salad. And since we boil the beetroots with the skin on, just make a section, then you can do as the almost just peel them off like that, and then you're good to go. Done and done. And when cutting up your beetroots, since the most common way to eat this on Christmas is to buy it already pre-made in a can, so you kind of want to make ugly pieces so you can really see that it's homemade, if that makes sense. And there's no need to change cutting board here. You're gonna mix everything up anyway, so it doesn't matter if there's beetroot on the salad. There's no exact science with cutting up an apple, just roughly chop it up. And we're going to begin with a more modern version with apples. Put the beetroot in, we're going for around 50-50 almost, something around there. Actually, let's use this bowl instead. And as I said, around 50-50 beetroots, 50-50 apples. And when it comes to cream this up, I'm going to use creme fraiche and mayonnaise, and you want to go with around 4 parts creme fraiche and 1 part mayonnaise. So 1, 2, we're gonna start off with 2 actually, and half a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Gonna give this a whisk and see, because we don't want it too creamy too quick. We can always add things later, but we can't remove. And this is good consistency for me, and I want to have a little bit extra pinkness, so I'm gonna add a tablespoon of the water after the cooking, something like that. This is not much for flavor, it's mostly for color. And of course salt and pepper. And I'm also gonna add a splash of Dijon mustard to give the salad a little bit more of a kick. Time for a taste test. Really nice touch with the Dijon mustard. Needs a touch of more salt though, and it can use a little bit of white pepper as well. I think we have it now. And let's do the more traditional version now. And same thing here. I'm gonna go in with the salt and pepper first, so you can see how much around there. Something like that. And once again, 4 parts creme fraiche. Start with that, and 1 part mayonnaise. Give that a stir. It's taste test. It needs a pinch more salt. And I almost forgot, I'm gonna add a little bit of white pepper as well. Something like that. If you found this inspiring and want to learn more about Swedish food and Swedish Christmas food, I'm making a series now with Swedish Christmas food, which I post a playlist here in the end of this video. We can check that out. And if you want to learn more about Swedish food in general, consider subscribing, hit that like button and comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one.